The plant. Yeah.
We buy them, but then kind of seeds.
Buy them early. Early because they will
We buy them early, but then kind of seeds. So she said, and then buy one seed.
In this one, I can see.
just can't stop.
It's a plant. Is that yours, Mom?
Yes.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Indeed. Thank you. Saying thank you.
I just divvied it up.
After Christmas.
Yeah, they said the red now like the cold.
Yeah. Over this in Michaela?
Yeah.
What is it? Yes, Daddy. Thank you and thank you.
Thank you.
I like it.
I love it.
You got a bunch of
Those
stuff.
flowers. The red
Look.
ones.
Got a squishmallow.
Oh, you got a squishmallow? You know, it's a girl at my college that like she actually like loves this. But
Oh my God! Yes. Look at this beauty. Look how beautiful this is. My perfume and my bag. Anybody got it? I love colors.
Hold on here to one
You like it yet? You like it yet?
yeah, I haven't seen them all yet. But yeah,
Your card?
yeah, I'm not done reading it.
I picked this card for you.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom. But I want to read the rest. But yeah.
Welcome on down here to press.
You didn't give me cash.
In the box.
I know.
All right. Here you go.
I'm trying to open my perfume that my daughter gave me. Let me smell it.
Yes.
Oh, smell awesome. Thanks, Denise. Thanks for my perfume and my bag.
Oh, you sprayed it?
Yeah, it smells good. I love it. And look how cute this is.
Cute.
So cute.
And then that one you can just take when you're going somewhere. You don't take both in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so my mom got me a really nice, meaningful card. It had some money in it as well. But basically, after reading the card basically meant that she wants me to basically be happy and create happy moments, happy memories, and for me to be able to get all the things that I deserve. And she got me some cologne as well. But yeah.
This gift is from my granddaughter, Danny. And I'm very proud of her that she can grow up and come work and to buy me Christmas.
Yeah.
Danny,
Really?
God bless you. Yeah, I have one.
All right. Get
He said you are his boss boy.
I'm gonna show this one to you.
Yeah, it is.
Want me to do it?
Yeah.
Wait, what? It's slippery. That's what it is. Okay, she got a.
So what is that?
It's a foot massager.
What is this?
Foot massager.
It's a foot massager with heat.
Oh, girl. You're the sweetest child. Congratulations, you just earned a spot as my favorite child. I really want
I put massage, so when you sit down, you can put.
Yeah, you just put your feet on top of it.
When you sit down, you can put your feet on this and it just massage the bottom of your feet. It look nice.
Yeah, so you just put it on top like that, and then it comes with the remote and heat and everything.
Who give you these slippers? Me. Daddy too? Wow, you get a lot of
Great.
things. That's very nice.
Great.
Yeah, I'm glad.
It might not.
Thank you, honey.
No problem.
Mommy, you give me a card. What is it? You give me a card. What's the money in there?
I now feel like I indeed.
We don't have no money to go have to go shopping.
I should like get the family gifts and stuff.
I mean, yeah.
Well, I'm the best person to marry to.
Are you?
You trying to turn it on? Is it the on button like right there?
I'm trying to find the
But
thing
don't
to
you
plug
also
it
need to
in.
plug this right here?
I know. There's
Oh, I know.
Where do you plug it in?
These are the great moments you gotta record. Where did you get this from?
Sister Lana from church gave me.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like mint. Exactly what it is.
good.
Candy cane chocolate.
I'm good. How am I supposed to look at the outside of chocolate and tell the
smelled
inside
it.
is? Oh.
Because
I smelled a little bit too, but I wasn't sure what it was.
Every year we buy one of them, but
it has actual peppermint in it. You can't really see it.
Alright, let me
Oh,
finish.
because
physically, but
slide it up.
we are thankful that the part of each other can be, you know, not out of sight, but not out of mind. And, you know,
we plug it in first. If you don't, you have to get an extension if you just have far. Okay.
Make us, and just the thought is, you know, bring encouragement.
Right.
Knowing that you are not
And that will help with circulation in your feet.
Yeah. You see
again
that
for
smell?
calling
Yeah.
and give,
So Lorraine, my sister, gave mom this gift. So let's see what she gave her.
Here, as it's coming, Christmas is almost over.
It's one gift, right?
New Year is approaching,
Yeah.
and none of us know what is coming, but the Lord knows the future. and
Then
knows
it will never open this part for her.
Oh,
Look, it's Nikki.
Alright, so you take care.
Right there, pause.
It doesn't.
You know, to walk one.
It doesn't pause. It doesn't like pause.
Oh, yeah. You still around there?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So, Lorraine, smell it. Let me open it so you can smell it.
I keep on.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Smell good.
They are increasing day by
I love
day.
it.
She didn't blow one like
You
that.
bought me.
Danny, no.
I love it.
Take care of our grandmother.
Me tell her.
This is from Lorraine. Smell good.
Me, I look on the other one. Look back.
Talk about you.
This gift is from P. It's a lovely gift and I love it. So thank you, P.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's what? Inside.
Oh, it's a sheet.
Yeah.
But look how pretty it is. All different colors.
Thank
Wow.
you, P, for my Christmas gift.
It's beautiful.
It's nice.
This is very nice. Lorraine sent 2 of these for you for your Christmas. This is so pretty. It's a throw. And it's so soft. Mommy like it?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
It's nice.
The children are really fix you up good, man.
Yeah.
I hope when we get old like you, man, we fix me up such a
Let's start already. Don't worry.
Yeah, let's start. What I got.
Don't worry. Let's start already.